Oh shit! The other car under arrest! Unlock the...
On the night of July 4th, 2025 in Will County, Illinois, officers on routine patrol noticed a vehicle showing clear signs of intoxication. They attempted a traffic stop, but the driver chose to flee, escalating the situation. Instead of complying, the driver sped up and attempted to evade the officers. This led to a brief pursuit, with the situation immediately becoming more dangerous.
Oh, there you go. Hi. Is that as low as it goes? Do you speak Spanish or English? English? Alright. Are you okay? You are? Yeah? I can't hear you at all. Do you live here?
Is she talking to you at all?
I can't tell. Ma'am, are you okay? Okay. Do you mind lowering it so I could actually hear you?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Do you live here? No, you're fine. Do you live here? You don't? Okay. Do you happen to have an ID on you? You don't? Where are you from? Well, I'm just kind of checking on your health because you seem kind of out of it. You're mumbling a lot.
As the suspect ignored the officer's commands and attempted to flee, the situation escalated. The officer, now in pursuit, was forced to act quickly to prevent the driver from escaping further.
Okay. Is there a reason the car's still on? No? Why'd you roll it up? Well, how about this? Do you mind opening the door for me? You said you don't live here. It's a private parking way. Do you mind opening up the... Can I open the door? Would you be opposed to that? No? Okay. Can you unlock it so I can open it? So how am I supposed to open it if you don't unlock it? I'm the police, ma'am.
Do you try talking to her in Spanish at all?
She speaks English just fine. She seems like... I don't know if she's intoxicated or what the deal is. Are you having a medical issue? No? Okay. Well, ma'am, considering that I'm kind of worried about your level of intoxication behind the wheel, I'm going to need you to step out, okay? I'd rather not force you out, okay?
Just be careful. She throws that and drive and jumping that way.
Ma'am, I will break the window if I have to, so go ahead and lower it.
As the driver refused to stop, the officer made it clear that further non-compliance would result in more forceful measures, including breaking the window to gain control of the situation.
She's putting that drive.
Yeah. Hey, move back.
She's gonna put it in drive. Back
She's
up.
gonna try and bolt, so move back.
She's got 3 dots on her right wrist and E on her left wrist. This is what she looks like.
Yeah, I mean, I can show her clearly. Hold on, you're gonna hit my squad if you move back. My squad's right there.
Okay, well, the squad have me back. But
Hold on, put it in park.
let me back up, man. Let me back up, bro.
Hold on, put it in park.
No.
Oh, shit. Yes, she's gonna take off. Give it a second.
Right
11.
She'll kill one of us, dude. Don't try ripping her out.
All right, so she's intoxicated and trying to take off on us somehow. She's trying to back out of the parking spot. So, do you have a spike strip? Yeah, put it in the back.
Trying to back out of the park.
Watch out. She's gonna hit. Yeah. Oh, she's gonna hit your car, dude. She's gonna. Yeah, he's gonna hit your car.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, come over here.
Thanks, Rob.
Yeah, she's already got one. Get out the way, get out
Watch
the way.
out.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car!
Yeah, watch out.
Watch out.
I got break the back.
Use that. It's on.
gonna finish that.
Joliet police, you're under arrest.
I was just speaking English to her. She speaks English.
I'm under arrest for
You're under arrest.
obstructing.
Put it in park.
Unlock the door.
All right, unlock the door. Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
What the
Keep your hands on your head. Just keep your hands on your head.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Okay, but
After the brief pursuit, officers were able to safely stop the vehicle. The suspect was instructed to exit the vehicle and was placed under arrest.
why Hey! Hey!
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Okay. I got you, man. I got you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, bitch. All right, man.
Oh, you go.
You got me, ho. You got me, bitch.
Relax.
Let me up.
All right, you're under arrest.
Let me up.
Yeah, she's just leave
You
it
got
on.
my cuffs.
Let me up,
All right, we're gonna do that right now.
man. Okay.
All right. Bring your knees to your chest so we can lift you up.
Man, I don't know what's up, man. Shit.
Bring both your knees to your chest.
I got you. I got you, man. Shit.
Hold on, her foot's underneath the car. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, man.
Bring your knees to your chest.
What? That's what it is. That's what I'm doing, man.
Then sit on your butt. Every time you lay on your stomach, we can't get you.
Well, I'm a fucking bitch. That's why.
Whose car can we put her in?
And,
Who's in the back over there?
Us.
You're under arrest.
for what?
For obstructing.
And attempted fleeing and eluding.
Eluding? Eluding of what?
Attempted fleeing and eluding.
Eluding of what? Man, you should have. Puta.
Relax.
Eluding of what, mother?
DUI
What?
as well, I assume, right?
Eluding of what?
Hey, we're gonna walk to a car over here, okay?
And my glasses?
All right, we'll get those in a second.
What's the first
No,
time?
no, fuck that
Probably
shit.
took 3 times.
Come on, fucking motherfucker, break my goddamn.
After being placed under arrest, the suspect was transported to the local detention center. It was later revealed that she had a prior warrant for her arrest in Colorado, which led to her immediate detention.
Treat my right shit. Everything you is, dog. Let me tell you, hold on.
Search your well, or do you want to do it again? Yeah. Okay.
You better search me with shit.
All right, get in the car.
There's no damn girl, you fucking bitch. And both of my cell phone, man. My son has it.
Hang out with her.
From this real-life situation, we learn crucial lessons about the importance of cooperating with law enforcement. Refusing to comply with police orders can escalate a situation quickly, increasing the danger for everyone involved. It's always better to cooperate and follow lawful instructions. Driving under the influence and attempting to flee from the police not only puts your own life at risk, but also the lives of others. It's vital to understand the serious legal consequences of these actions. Remember, your rights are important, but resisting law enforcement can lead to more severe charges and consequences. Stay calm, cooperate, and make sure to know your rights and responsibilities. This video has been brought to you for educational purposes, to shed light on how law enforcement handles traffic stops and the consequences of noncompliance. Stay safe, respect the law, and remember that cooperation leads to safer outcomes.